if you are following the same strategy, what your grandfather did in 1990s, how you can build a product, how to automate those.
So, hi Hari Krishna, nice to have you with us here today. So, Hari Krishna, please tell us about yourself.
Yeah, first of all, thanks, Aman, for giving your time, and it's pleasure meeting you. So briefly, I work as a .NET full stack developer. I have 10 years of experience, and currently I'm working in one of the software firms, and I want to grow up myself and see in the next generation. Everyone tells it like a generative AI, but it is also a new generation for us, and I want to place myself in that in that zone.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So, Hari Krishna, how did you hear about us and how come you joined the course? What was the path you took? How did you hear about us?
Feel is great. The excitement. If I want to listen Aditya Kachave because he is more excited. His way of speech is very. But don't give less marks to Aditya Goenka. Okay, better we can tell A square. Okay, we can start up a new company with A square with more enthusiasm. And they have a very pretty much of knowledge on the AI stuff. And I like most of the sessions of Aditya Goenka. The prompt engineer session was awesome, and it is from basic, you know, till the experience level. He explained all the scope in it, and Aditya Kacheva, he took a couple of sessions. He taught us a number of AI tools, how to use it, how you can accommodate them in your personal life, and as well as he taught us how you can proactive in your LinkedIn profile and how to keep touch in social media, how you can make your profile attractive. It was fun learning from them, and I believe the enthusiasm they have, it's good, and I appreciate their efforts also.
So, Hari Krishna, you just mentioned that you really liked how they taught you about LinkedIn and keeping yourself up to date in the field of AI. So, how have you been able to use AI in your day-to-day life, in your profession? How have you benefited from it?
I benefited a lot because mostly the thing is, as experienced guy, I'm telling. See, when you open your laptop, you have a bunch of, and replying to them to the mails, it will take almost 2 to 3 hours or 4 hours like that. And the speech should be very, polite way, and you should not, harm anyone's this. And you think about the UK guys and US people. They pick the meanings in a different way for each words, but we don't mean for that. This ChatGPT especially helped me to construct those messages precisely with the prompts what has taught me. With that, I'm just spending 30 minutes, replying all those mails, which increase my productivity, and I can give training to juniors. I can utilize, and I can I can switch off my I can turn off my laptop
Faster.
well before. Previously I used to stretch till 10 p.m., 11 p.m. Nowadays I'm of around 6:37. You know, and from that with that prompt also for coding, it gives me the boilerplate codes. It creates me the unit test cases, and it gives me the suggestions for how we can improvise our exception handlings or middlewares as perspective of coding I'm telling. But I'm very means I think Microsoft should give a provision of Copilot in SQL also. Now whenever you write, I tried that SQLs also, but what it is telling, give me the script, I will do the optimization. So it is not going through the repos. It is just in the Copilot it is called Ask Copilot, or you have the Copilot chat, or else it is having multiple commands, slash command, hash command, @ commands. You can using those, so you can optimize your code, and that helped me a lot. Even the prompts helped me a lot, because with the proper prompt only you can get the precise and accurate answers. And even one of the tips what Aditya, Kachave or Goenka, I didn't remember what they told. You get an answer from one ChatGPT and ask the same question, because it gives you 95% of accuracy, and take that and ask the same question to another model, so it will give you 98% of, you know. But it will, how much time it will take? It takes around within 5 minutes, right? And we should know how to manage those things also. Even it is an AI, it is a predefined, pre-trained model. But as a developer, as a human being who are using AI, they should means what, they should test, they should review whatever the AI product, and then utilize. That is my tip. And change it, change in your way, and then utilize those sources.
That's amazing. You were able to save 3 to 4 hours every day.
Yeah.
Earlier, it used to log off at 10, and now it's at 6. It's amazing. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Because even I forgot to tell you, even PPTs, right? That helps me a lot. I can create wonderful slides with Canva. That is somewhat a free source, and I have some credits, I can use it. And even Notebook LLM helped me a lot. And Napkin, I can tell. That also helped me a lot. Yeah, so I'm using these things in my day-to-day life now.
That's amazing. That's amazing. I like the confidence with which you said I can make wonderful PPTs. I personally have never been able to make wonderful PPTs. I can say I make good PPTs, but I like when you said wonderful.
No,
So,
but wonderful PPTs in the sense it should not be lengthy. It should be precise, and it should not be boring. The content should not be boring. It should not be large. It should be stick to the points. And why wonderful? Because PPT should not attract the audience. PPT has the points, and you are the presenter. So based on the points, you can you can elaborate them, and those are the slides. But wonderful, why what I'm telling means the preciseness, the things, and what you deliver, that makes you wonderful with the limited sources intact in the PT.
true, true, true. You're absolutely right. And yes, AI has helped up our PowerPoint game, especially with the lot of tools that are available these days. That's amazing. Hari Krishna, since you are in software, we have heard so much about AI is going to do this, AI is going to do that, and there was a lot of negativity in the population regarding the involvement of AI in software industry. So, what has your opinion changed? How has your opinion changed? Before being a part of our course, were you afraid of AI? Were you not aware of its capability? And since you've known AI, what difference is in your outlook regarding AI at workplace?
Okay, since see, that is a threat in everyone's mind. You should be enthusiastic, and you should have that keen to learn new things. Even in the business also, I will tell, it is not a software. Even if you go for a business, if you are following the same strategy what your grandfather did in 1990s, where people were honest and they believe others, they used to go to a single shop and they used to purchase. That is the belief they have. Now you are in an era of 2020s. Okay, here everyone looks for a fast deliveries. you know Now, Zomato, if you take Jepto, all works on AI only. They even predict the model based on the what we call sentiments of the customers. So, evolution should be a part of every human being. Even AI don't take your your jobs. Rather than, you should learn AI, and you should utilize the AI components and the tools within your life. And two persons work can be done by a single person. If we have 15 members as a team, and we have a deadline for 1 month, right? Same thing can be done by 5 people within 1 month using AI, where the delivery of the product is very, very fast. And if you think in a manner of SDLC life cycle, where the requirements can be done very quickly, where the planning can be done very quickly, where the QA team can do the unit test cases creations or pipeline developments can be done automatically very quickly. Even developers can do their work very quickly. And but we pay for what you work. Ultimately, no person will ask you to work for more than 10 hours, right? It is almost 6 or 7 hours. Using AI, we can complete the work, and you can jump into some other, and you can enjoy your life.
That's true. That's true. So basically, what I gathered from our discussion right now is that AI is something that we should appreciate and inculcate in our lives. And the same task which used to earlier take us a longer time now can be done in a shorter time and with better efficiency as well.
Yes, absolutely correct.
That's amazing. That's amazing. That's a positive outlook to have, and I think I like the way that you explained it. I think I'd like to ask you one more thing, Hare Krishna.
Mm.
So, what would you like to say to people who are thinking about joining our mastery course?
Okay. Um, Master course, I recommend everyone to join. You know, honestly, I will stick. The master course is very good for the students who are doing they are attending their last semester. They have a lot of time. They can give more time to Be10x, you know. And the awesome thing is, even we have the weekend sessions, but we have the QA sessions. Suppose and we have and in the LLM means in the portal, we still have I mean Be10x provides the recordings not even for the sessions, even for the QA sessions also. By chance, if somebody, because honestly I speaking, I didn't attend any classes, any QA sessions from last 1.5 month or 2 months like that, because of very tight schedule and the release activities. But whenever I get time, I used to go to the sessions and I used to listen it, you know, and I gain some knowledge, and gaining knowledge not only for the freshers, somebody who don't know the technology, right? So what B10X is providing, it is providing from the basics to. Oops, sorry,
Mm.
my teams got restarted.
Ah,
So it's from basics to the intermediate level. What I can tell. So you can gain some knowledge. After that, work on that. If you have any questions, come and ask. People are there. They can answer your all the queries, and what you will feel happy with that, because the things are very systematically designed. First of all, so there is no loss at all. Whatever we are paying for, you know nothing is going away. All documents are there, all recordings are there, all materials are there. Whenever somebody gets time, they can go and they can do their revision also, if they needed. And even with the prompt engineering, I recommend everyone, because not only the freshers, even the experienced guys who don't know the prompt engineer or AI tools, the couple of representatives, Kate and I
Steven.
forgot his name, Kate
Keith.
King and
Keith.
so they also given us a very good background of how you can build a product, how to automate those things in your day-to-day life, which will help for the experienced guys. So for experienced guy also, they can go and they can using the prompts, right? They can give the mock interviews, which even helpful for them. You know. So I suggest everyone to join the classes, and it is nothing that a lot of topics are going to be covered there. So wherever whatever you want to learn, you can learn, and everything is recorded and available
That's
for
that's
for
that's
your
amazing.
lifetime, right?
That's amazing, Hare Krishna. That's nice. I think I have just one last question. Was there any moment when you were attending the sessions when it really clicked in your head? Ki, okay, now I truly understand AI, and this is how I can use it in my life. Was there any such moment?
That such moment is I greatly thankful to Aditya Goenka, first of all. I remember he took one prompt engineer session, okay, which is not that up to mark.
Mhm.
After couple of weeks, right? he scheduled one more session,
Mhm.
and everyone was start asking questions, maybe saying that it's already been taught to us, and there he replied that no, I came with some new things, and he explained with a lot of examples, with rules and users, and how you prompt, and what kind of example, one shot and multiple shots, you know conceptuals and contextuals. So those that tricked me a lot, and you know helped me a lot. And even means previously also I mentioned, like Aditya, Kachaves, posting. I was very shy to post anything in the LinkedIn. You Now I learned how I can get the topics, how I can get the description, how I can make it more attractive, like others are posting. But I'm still working on those, the flow charts and other stuff. Gradually, I believe I will improvise in those areas, and my posts also will be very attractful for others.
Definitely. I am pretty confident on it. I am sure that a couple of months down the line, I'm going to have you as my LinkedIn influencer. So thank you very much, Hare Krishna, for your time with us. I wish you all the very best. You've been absolutely amazing and inspiring. Thank you very much.
Thank you, having me.